Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I am going to show you how to make the planets out of play-doh. Cool, huh? So, let's get started. For this you're going to need a play-doh knife, all various different colours of play-doh, and some imagination. So let's get started. First, we're going to make Mercury, which is small, hot and fiery. So we're going to make this out of yellow. Roll it into a ball, like I'm doing. Now take your red play-doh and roll it into a spaghetti. We're going to roll this around the middle of our yellow ball. Smooth it down. And once that's done, you finished Mercury. Now we're going to make Venus. Venus is bright, shiny, and sparkly. Roll your white play-doh into a small ball. And then take some of your light blue play-doh. We're going to flatten this and cut it into strips. Take 3 of these strips and roll them around your white ball of play-doh. And there we have Venus, bright and sparkly. Now we're making Earth. We all know Earth because that's where you live. Take your light blue play-doh and roll it into a ball. We're now going to take our green play-doh and flatten it. We need to cut some squiggles out of the light green play-doh to represent the grass and the countries. Flatten them onto your sea, and there you have it. Earth! Now we're making Mars. Mars is red and really hot. So we're going to roll a red ball, and then we're going to take some brown flecks of play-doh. Roll them onto your red ball and give it texture. There you have Mars. Now we're making Jupiter, so we need a red ball for this too, but we're going to colour it differently. So cut some purple strips first. Now, we're going to cut some yellow strips. Let's roll them onto our red ball. Now, it's time for Saturn. Saturn is the planet with all the rings. I've got light brown as a base for this planet. And I'm going to use these colours to make the rings. Roll them out like spaghetti. Now roll them all together and wrap them around the middle of your planet. Now you've got Saturn and its rings. Next, we're going to make Uranus. Uranus is a cold planet. I'm making a dark brown base with light brown stripes. And finally, Neptune. Neptune has got a dark blue base. And I'm getting flecks of light blue to give it texture. And there we have it. All of the planets made out of play-doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Bye!